There is a method to the madness. Many of you might be wondering why you are finding clients when you are not yet proficient in content creation plus AI. The explanation is straightforward. Finding clients provides you with a goal to aim for. You're gathering ammunition for your hunting rifle to hone your shooting skills. Having prospects enables you to download their content and reproduce it using the service you choose to provide, practicing in real time. There is no time wasted on generating random content and experimenting with AI. Absolutely not. These are the clients I aim to create content for, and I'll use their content to develop my skills. The Content Creation Plus AI Campus ethos is: our students get money in by taking action. So, within this category, you'll find clients and develop the ability to analyze their business. You'll address the marketing problems they have related to the content creation service you'll provide. Here's a quick lesson for you. In order to make money, solve problems.